This is a Mazda 1993 RX-7 Touring finished in vintage red over black leather. It has covered just 9,525 miles since new and is presented in a stunningly beautiful condition over at Bring a Trailer, where it's currently offered in an auction. Touring models feature a set of factory fog lamps, sunroof, rear window wiper and a Bose Acoustic Wave audio system that comes with unique ducting in the luggage compartment. The car is said to be completely stock, with the owner replacing the 25-year-old original tires with brand new ones 100 miles ago. The bodywork and the paint look spectacular, while the interior's condition betrays the low mileage of this car. Mazda really nailed the design of the FD, looking like it hasn't aged a day. Combined with the time warp condition of this specific example, the levels of want to reach maximum levels. Power comes from the famous twin-turbo 13B-RU 1.3-liter engine that produces 255 horsepower and 217 pounds-to-foot of torque and is paired to a slick 5-speed manual gearbox. The car had an engine oil filter change less than 500 miles ago. With low-mileage Supras crossing the $80,000 mark in recent auctions, it's not that hard to see this Mazda RX-7 fetching over $40,000. The real question is, however, what are you going to do with it? Are you going to drive and enjoy it, or are you going to preserve it like previous owners did?